Excellent. All right. Hello, traders, and welcome to the Simple Forex Setup Show. Welcome to everyone who's here. Hello, Kuthu. Hello, Raman. Hello, Thomas. Let me know if you have any questions. Pop them in the chat. And also let me know if you took any trades last week. I'm going to go through 10 currency pairs, and I'm going to be looking at the setup on the daily time frame this week. So from this week, December and January, I'll be looking at daily time frames. So let me share my screen and let's get into it. All right, hi Clara, welcome. All right, the currency pairs that I'm going to have a look at. Here I'm starting with GBPUSD. So on GBPUSD, I'm looking for a short. So this is actually the currency pair that we had a trade on last week. Let me know, actually over the last 2 weeks, right? So over the last 2 weeks, we got to risk to reward ratio 1:3 and exited at profit. So now I'm going to wait for the pullback and then enter that trade short again. So what I'm looking at is on the weekly, we're now at the bottom of the channel. So looking for pullback either to that horizontal line or to the top of the channel. And then I will look for a reversal. And if there is a reversal on the daily, so anywhere around here or even wherever that top of the channel will be at the time, and then I'll be looking for a short opportunity. Let me know if you took the trade. Hey, good afternoon, Thomas. So yeah, let's see. That might take a little while to set up because we've just exited that trade. So we really need to wait for a good pullback. So that might even take us into the following week. Next currency pair I'm going to have a look at is EURUSD. And EURUSD, I'm also looking for a short. So on the weekly, we're now at the bottom. So I'm looking for pullback anywhere to the trend line or to the horizontal. And then at that time, I will look for a reversal in terms of the price action. And if there is a reversal, I will take a short trade. Next currency pair I'm going to have a look at is Aussie USD. And Aussie USD is now looking like it's going to go further down. So we had this price action going up and then it broke through. So now looking for the price to come back up to either of those horizontal lines and then looking for a reversal and looking for an opportunity to short this. Next currency pair is GBPJPY. GBPJPY, I'm looking for a short. So this is also a currency pair that I traded last week, and it resulted in the 3R profit. So at the moment, we need to look for the pullback. Looking for pullback back to that trend line. And if we then are around that entry zone area, we look for a reversal pattern in the price action. If there then is a reversal, then I'll be looking for a short. So this is GBPJPY for short. Next currency pair I'll be looking at is EUROJPY. And EUROJPY, I'm looking for long. So we have this price action just going between those two resistance and support lines. at the moment is at the bottom here near the support. So I'm looking for an opportunity to go up. So looking for a long. So on the daily, I'm looking for some kind of price action in this area close to the support line that would indicate a reversal. And also a good sign is when the EMAs are moving closer together and the green EMA is starting to trend up a little bit, then that's a good sign that there might be some reversal happening for this currency pair. So looking for long on EUROJPY. Next currency pair I'm looking at is USDJPY. So USDJPY is now back under that 114. So on this, I'm looking for a short. We had on the weekly, again, a big tail and an engulfing the previous week. Lots of tails there. So still looking for a short on this one now that we have a close underneath. So on the daily, anywhere in this area, if we have a reversal, or even if we have a little pullback to maybe halfway there, and then a reversal pattern, then I'm looking for a short on USDJPY. Let me know if you have any questions, pop them into the chat. Next currency pair I'm looking at is GBPCAD. And GBPCAD, I'm looking for a long opportunity. So on the weekly, we've been going in that range here. Had a little bit of a reversal there. So just looking for the price to go a little bit sideways and looking for a reversal quite close to this support line. If there is a daily reversal, then I'm looking for a long opportunity on this one. Next currency pair I'm looking at is USDCAD. And USDCAD, I'm looking at a short. So on the weekly, we're back at the 1.28 resistance level. At the moment, there's a little bit pushback from there, but this candle is not closed, so we don't know yet. We might have to wait for this candle to close, which is a weekly, and then possibly look at next week for a short. But let's see if there is a reversal in this area. Looking for a short, but at the moment, the distance between the EMAs is too big. We really want that distance to be a lot smaller and those two EMAs to be getting closer together. Next currency pair I'm looking at is EURAUD. And EURAUD, I'm looking for long. So on the weekly, we're at, well, just about halfway. So not ideal. Would prefer to enter at the bottom or at the top of a range. So at the moment being in the middle, not ideal. But if we have a retest, so the price comes back down and retest this area where the trend line and the channel line meet, then I would be looking for a long opportunity there. And the last currency pair I'm looking at is EURGBP. And EURGBP, I'm looking for long. So on the weekly, we have been going in that range. Got to the bottom here. It was slowly going down. So at the moment, it's still in a downward trend, but looking for a reversal around this area. So in terms of the daily, we already had a couple of pushbacks here and there. So I'm looking for the third one. If we have a third reversal around that area, then I would be looking for a long opportunity. Otherwise, if the price goes further up, then I'll be looking for the pullback first and then looking for a long opportunity then. So let's see what happens on that. All right, if you have any questions, please pop them in the chat box. If you are part of the Telegram channel, then you would see all the trades that I take and any trade management updates. If you would like to join in, I'll pop that link in the chat box now. That's the link to the Telegram channel. You can join there, and I publish all the trades that I take during the week and the trade management for those. All right, if you have any questions, pop them in the chat box. Let me check. You're welcome, Raman. So thank you very much, everyone. I will be back live again next week on Wednesday. It's 12 p.m. Singapore time. So I hope to see you then. Thank you, Clara. Bye for now.